Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to teach you how to buy a stable coin on the Phantom Wallet. So if you don't know what a stable coin is, it's basically a coin that is pegged to the dollar, so it won't go up or down, it will stay at a stagnant $1 every other time. So if you want to switch to a stable coin on Phantom, you're basically just going to want to hold some Solana, and you're going to want to go over to the swap feature here on Phantom, and then go ahead and click on the USDC, which is the stablecoin. You also have the option of clicking USDT as well. It's totally up to you which of the two stablecoins you do like, but go ahead, put 50% in SOL or whatever meme coin you want to convert into a stablecoin, and they're going to want to go ahead and click swap now. So when you do that, it should swap. So I'm going to actually lower the amount I want, and we're going to go ahead and purchase this. So 19 cents in USDC is what we're going to have, and you can see here that we now have 19 cents in USDC, which is a stable coin, as well as USDT, which is also a stable coin if you want to get that as well. But that's how you go ahead and buy a stable coin on Solana Phantom Wallet. So thank you for watching, and I will see you all for the next one.